Hello. Is it my live is on? Just in case. Good evening to Mod. Who came in? Thank you so much. I had a good evening, by the way. I just I did kind of stream on TikTok, by the way, just to be clear to tell you, but it doesn't much further to continue somehow because yeah, somehow the internet got lagging, and the TikTok was, I don't know. I was streaming at on the laptop, right? I was testing on laptop, but then again, it's like it got. How do I explain this? I got confused. Um, it was okay, but it got kind of lagging somehow when I stream it for in the situation. And I use a wire. So the TikTok has like this wired and cast from the Android, right? There's a wireless and there's a wires somehow. I did kind of use the wires, but it got somehow moved and then disconnected few times more, and then the internet got really lagging, not gonna lie to you guys. And yeah, it was a short TikTok. It was a short to do so, and I ended kind of quickly for just only one classic mode to play on TikTok. So yeah, it is kind of sucks, just to be clear. And yeah, well, I did kind of try to do so for TikTok, but not for me. I'm much prefer to do on Twitch, probably. Yeah, gak tahu ya, agak aneh sih rasanya untuk melanjutkan. Dapat lagi Nato Zongli. By the way, hi F, hello, congratulations malam. Iya, selamat malam. How are you F? Sorry aku tadi sempet cerita soal TikTok tadi tuh. Ya udahlah, aku coba yang bisa-bisa aja dulu. Aku sambil daily ya guys, just in case. Daily. Mana kita? Bentar ya, aku tes di HP satu lagi aku dulu. By the way, hi, how are you? Aman kah? Aman ya? Oke. Oh iya, aku mau sit up lagi, aduh aku lupa. I forgot to redeem Heartless. Haruskah aku sit up sekarang? Should I sit up right now or just what until for the next game? I don't know what to do. Let me check. Deh man, harus juga climbing di sana ya. Kocak. Iya lagi harus ke sana lagi. Why Anna? Why you torture me like this? Why you torture me like this, man? do daily. Should I climb? I don't know what to do. Let's see. Hopefully. Okay, let me climb. Ah, gosh, I need to climb this thing. Aduh, nyangkut. Bentar. Mana Ana? Where are you, Ana? Mande. Yo, agak rempong wa untuk memanjat kayak gitu. Why are you doing here, Ana? Jalan. Kemana lagi? Talk to Anthony. Again? Are you serious? Aduh, ya Allah. Au. Hey, Anthony. What's up? Okay, that's one. What's next? Ya Allah, jauhnya. Tuhan.
Is always far more effective in the rain. This is going to get interesting.
Apa nih? Apa ini?
Solidify!
Installation chamber deployed.
Water and then fire.
Freeze!
Nice.
Yeah.
This
Nice.
frozen
Good
time.
job. Exile. Interesting. Carving marks. Kemana lagi? Bentar. Ini apa? Camp monster, berry, and iron choco. Oke.
Ultimatum protocol. Let me weave you a verse.
Dodge this!
2 dong, coy.
Freeze.
Dar, dap. Oke. Aduh. Hello.
Stabilize.
Cleanup sequence initiate.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wih, shibal. Wah.
I will have order.
Dar.
Witness the power of Gugwa. Installation chamber deployed.
Oke, kurang 1. Manjat nggak tuh? 1. Ya, kill that thing. Come on. Nice. Alright. Bagus sekali. Oke. But it can be crafted. Oke. Mana lagi? Udah, itu aja kah? Apa
Sequence
ini?
in progress.
Duh, si kakak mana ya? Dia nggak online loh. Tak ada pun.
Past incidents. Please avoid dropping small items such as Mora, screws, gears, minerals, toys, gummies, snacks, hairbands. Ad Astra Abyssosk. Thank you for completing today's.
Hmm.
When you're high up, everyone can hear your voice. Ad Astra.
Ding, 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 let's see. Wah, ya Allah, udah 5 kah? Oke. Nice, got lagi ya? Ada Diluc anjay. Anjay, ada Diluc. Currently in the Dawn Winery. Can I go there? Can I go meet him? So what's on the menu today? Well, on the menu today is currently just doing daily and some other time. How are you, Starion? I miss your stream. It's been a long time. Isn't this still continuing Yakuza though? Sorry, the background. And the background is kind of annoying. My house is like beyond the side streets right now, like on the highway. Not gonna lie to you. Been ages, yeah. How are you doing? I'm good, Alhamdulillah. I've been so much better, and I'm at different city right now. Just to be clear, I'm gonna share to you. Well, there's so many things that changes, but I'm good. How's your day then? Like, do you continue streaming again, or just what? Are we interrupting you? Looking for over the winery's recent production and sales reports. Don't worry, I just finished. Is there some trouble? I won't go that far. It's just the last grape harvest of the adversary affected by the weather, reducing the yield. Elsa responded in time, and such that there is no issue with the quality. What I need to settle is a price for them. Oh. Our supply has decreased, but demand or demands that and beyond under change. At time that is this pricing must be carefully considered. Scarcity data drives the value up. Precisely. When demand exceeds supply, some will seek to profit more, while distributors... Well, this man is really talking about marketing. Currently on Yakuza 5, also started Ghost of Yote and loving it. Ooh, I love Ghost of Yote. What do you think of it? Is it good? Like, the quality, the story lore, what? Please tell me. I am a fan of any type of, like, is it Ghost of Yote, like close to Dark Souls kind of vibe? I forgot. Halo Kamiri, hi, how are you? Gimana kabarnya Kamiri? Kacang Kamiri. Yes, it's been a while since you come by. Would you like to open the bottle for you? You want me to drink wine? Well, we're here to visit you, so no need to stand ceremony then. I was in a mood for some apple cider myself. In fact, would you like some? I would love to. The first cup poured from the fresh bottle and the most fragrant. Here. Nice! There's an anecdote on it. Day off work today, packing a lot of things because the work starts at our house tomorrow. Going to be getting new kitchen bathroom. Encok 2 hari CF. Anjay, Otsukare nggak tuh Kamiri? Udah belanja banyak nggak? Kawan aku juga udah belanja loh dari apa namanya? Dari CF katanya kan dia tuh kan dia kan mampir di standnya Kanisama kan, Mbak Kani mampir di Kanisama, terus udah sempet beli setnya dari Kanisama gitu. Terus aku lihat, wih banyaknya gitu kan, langsung berapa setnya sih gitu kan, 150.000 dari Kanisama. Gue langsung, hah iya serius, wanjay gitu kan. Iya, tapi capek banget gitu, saking ramenya CF kan. Langsung wah anjay gitu. Ya sudah lah gitu. And I think it's like I've seen so far in the TikTok, they went to Komifuro itu tuh kayak there's a loads of people that went there, what somehow is like, oh right, you know what, it's fine for me or something like that. But But then again, kayak aku lihat tuh kayak penuh, terus gak panas gak sih kalau di dalam ruangan kayak gitu tuh? I think I've seen like an outdoor some kind of what, but then again it's like, is it too hot to you guys went there? Gitu loh. Yote is a direct sequel to Ghost of Tsushima, different characters, different time period, 200 plus years later, semi DS vibes but not hardcore. Oh, interesting. I would love to see though. I might gonna see your stream if you play Yote, Saren, but thanks for coming by. Hope you enjoy my daily test streaming right now on Twitch. Gitu. Kani buka stand, gak tahu aku. Iya loh, Kani sama lagi buka stand loh di CF. Community dia sempat pergi ke sana semua tuh. Just be clear. Ini apa? Sumeru. Returning Sumeru with a all friends. Yeah, why not? Wait, what? Focus on experience mode? What does that mean? Give me a second. I met Mbak Vene, but not Bang Bando. It's not too hot because it's full of AC. Oh, okay, so yeah. Apa nih? Enable focus experience mode, current quest, return from the mysterious realm. Ya boleh lah, kenapa enggak? Ya. Yeah. Jadi pengen tahu apa namanya? Apa yang dibeli sama kamu, Kemiri? I'm kind of curious though. Really curious. Back to academia, oke. Aku bentar. Naikin level karakter dulu atau cerita dulu ya? Aku bingung. Aku bingung nih karena aku udah lama nggak main Genshin. I met new friends from Twitch and it's not planned at all. Did you have fun to meet new friends from Twitch? I mean, there's a load of it, right? Like, apparently. Aku bingung mau ngapain ya. Maybe let me come. It's fun getting new friends. Oh, nice. I'm happy if you're having fun. Siapa-siapa aja yang kamu ketemu anak baru di Twitch? Dari apa, streamer kah? Atau viewers kah? Kayak kawan dari viewers streamer kah atau gimana gitu. Aku pengen banget ketemu sama kawan-kawan online aku kalau sempet. Ya udahlah, main tes run aja deh karakternya. Aku belum pernah main Arlecchino soalnya. I'm doing Yote in my Thursday evening slot. Not sure how that works with the time zones for you. I forgot, what's your UTC or GMT plus R? Because mine is like UTC plus 8 or GMT plus 8 right now. Not sure about yours. I might gonna try. Make sure to watch it.
It's my lucky day.
Swirl, Mark 2, absorption test. Let me read you a verse. Teamwork is dreamwork. Let's light it up. This is where
I don't know how to play this girl. I mean, this father. Okay.
witness my overruled.
Waduh, anjay.
Animal hypostasis emulation. Animo test 6308. Brain outlines your fate.
Gak kena lagi anjay.
Going in.
Nande.
This is where
Nande. Nice. Alright. Mostly artists. I don't even do any art. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. We don't do art. It's fine though. Siapa nih? Lanyan, terus Rosaria. Oh ya, Lanyan aku belum ada loh. I am CET, Central European UTC +1. Oh, nice. I would catch up with you. I will screenshot that. Okay, thank you, Starian. I will try to watch your stream next time on Thursday, right? Okay. Oh, yeah, baby.
Up and away! Dancing in the wind.
Tell me what you see. Be free.
Witness the power of Guhua. Know my sword.
Midnight Phantasmagoria. Prepare yourself. Let's do this then. Time to say hello.
Nice. Oh, okay, now that's fast. I didn't know that. Terus Rosaria ya. Let's go. Alright. Alright. Bentar. Let me unplug this thing first. Okay. Should be okay. Bentar, ketarik. Wait. Aduh, bentar ya guys. Oke. Aku pakai pendingin HP gitu loh, biar dia nggak panas. Oke. Hope you guys enjoying today's streaming. Test streaming ya. Maybe kind of wanna edit like different kind of game later, just to be clear, cause I was waiting my cousin to play Roblox. I guess I want to try Roblox too though. I've been playing with her. Ouch! I've been playing with her like so many. Well, it's not so many times, like just one time. But I felt like I want to try Roblox on Twitch. Just in any case. Gak kenal lagi anjay. Yeah. Just gonna do it daily and then do it story. Ouch. Mati. Mati kan. Okay. So yeah. Alright, that's done. Test run is done. Nice. Yay. Kita santai-santai ya mainnya ya. Santai-santai, chilling gak tuh guys. Kita berchilling. Okay, let's go to Academia. Let's go guys. There's so many stories that I missed though. Apparently it's for the lore quest, Archon quest. Tapi aku belum mencukupi levelnya, jadi aku mau coba side quest dulu sih, atau story quest lainnya. Coba ya. Aku pengen main sama kawan-kawan lain sih, kalau kayak bantu naikin level tuh gimana tuh. Cuman kawan aku lagi gawe hari Minggu nih, tapi ya aku coba main yang story quest dulu sementara dulu. Alright, what do we have here?
We haven't been back to the academia in a while. It hasn't changed much, has it?
No, it's not actually.
Well, since we've got some time, want to go to the house of Dana? Paimon wants to do some reading!
Excuse me, who are you? And what have you done with Paimon?
So you noticed? Well, you're too late. The Paimon you know and love is no more. You're looking at Paimon Plus, a new and improved treasure trove of travel know-how. Paimon Plus would like to find some new books to peruse. A gracious traveler like yourself wouldn't leave her companion
You got me there. Let's go.
Come on, this way.
Alright.
Oh, hey! It's Kale and Cyrus!
Salah lagi. Bentar.
Wonder what's going on. Let's go see.
And the book's abandoning the quest already?
Well, you know what they say? Learning is a lifelong quest. Which means there's always another chance to read a book. But you never know when the next chance to reunite with an old friend will come along.
Sure. Whatever you say. This is gonna be interesting. Reading a book and then finally got distracted with
Traveler,
something.
Paimon, you're back in Sumeru?
Oh, hello, you two. It's been a while. Looking to spend time with some old friends?
My god. There's so many motorcycles been drove by now.
Yep. We saw some familiar faces, so we came to say hi.
Exactly. How could I forget the old man who lives next to Zaha Hadid?
Oh, excuse you. Associating me with that woman.
Associating with that woman?
And if you're going to remember me that way, you should at least mention my tomato growing skills.
So he's mad
Excuse
about
me,
the Zaha
Cyrus
Hadid
sounds
part
like...
and not the old man part?
Cyrus sounds kind of haughty though, not gonna lie to you. I got kind of like... got sass a little... Well, it's not sass, more like bold as in deep voice.
Well, Paimon's glad to see you in such good spirits, Cyrus. Must mean things are all good here in Sumeru.
Apologize, sir, Cyrus.
Ah, well, it's quite all right. I'm not the type to take offense at that kind of thing.
Damn. He sounds so... okay.
You definitely are.
Yeah, he's definitely are.
Anyway, what were you and Kale chatting about just now?
Ah, that. Well, it was quite a spontaneous meeting. I was leaving the sage's office when I spotted Kole in conversation with a Mahamata. It looked serious. I thought something bad might have happened, so I hurried over as soon as the conversation ended. But as it turns out, our Kole is moving up in the world. The academia even hired her as a consultant.
Wow, that's incredible. Oh, it's nothing, really.
Look at that, so humble. Takes after me, she does.
Not at all. Not at all. No, wait. I didn't mean that to sound like I don't think you're humble, Mr. Cyrus, because of course you are. I just,
Uh-oh. Cole's so nervous she's sweating. I should help her out. Anyway, what are you consultant for exactly?
Oh, well, I wouldn't even call myself a consultant. I'm just helping out. Now that the new semester has started, a lot of students and scholars are doing field work for their research. But it can be dangerous for those who don't have a lot of experience in the wild.
Right.
So, the academia is planning to establish an agency that provides guidance on outdoor survival and rescue for people who need it. Oh, Paimon gets it! So, you're here to explain rainforest survival as a representative of the forest rangers. Yeah, pretty much. Of course, when it comes to tips on deciphering mechanisms or defeating monsters, that's for people who are far more senior than me to handle.
Oh, okay.
And speaking of which, since we're short on manpower, the person in charge at the academia said we're still accepting newcomers. If you're interested, you're welcome to join and share your insights.
Ah, seizing the moment. Well done, Kole. Recruiting someone as capable as the Traveler is a great idea. Oh, and just between the four of us, the academia has set aside a generous amount of funding for this project.
Well, as we know, I'm nothing if not helpful.
Great! We're all supposed to meet up in Aru Village later, so I guess we'll regroup there. I was kind of worried, since Master Tainari isn't around to help this time, but now I feel much better.
Have a faith you don't need anyone's help to do a great job.
Yeah! Even if you don't trust the Academia's eye for talent, you can trust ours for sure.
And mine, of course. I have as good an eye for people as I do for tomatoes.
Well, there you have it.
Okay.
Thanks, everyone. Oh, speaking of Tainari, how are
Alright,
things with him and the others?
By the way, internetmu agak putus-putus kayaknya. Iya kah? Kayaknya ini aku deh. Karena aku lagi open stream juga, by the way. Coba broadcast doang. Moga deh.
Good, thanks. All the forest rangers are doing great.
Soalnya kilobyte aku tadi taruh di 2000. Jadi mau coba-coba lah.
Oh,
Gimana
but Master Tainari did mention that Sino and Sethos were heading to Gandharvaville. I'm not sure if it's for work or something else. Huh, knowing them, could just be to play some cards. I'm not sure. Apparently Sethos is bringing someone else with him too. But with my academia commitment, I didn't have time to ask for more details. Huh, well now Paimon's curious. Should we go check things out, Traveler?
Why not? It's been a while since we dropped to say hi.
That's true, and I'm sure they've missed you.
Now that is how it should be between friends. Getting together to play cards or enjoy a meal.
Kalau sekarang
Yes,
gimana
even
Camille?
I
Masih
am
putus-putus
stuck with
kah
Nephis,
atau gimana?
only ever calls to talk about research. Well, I won't delay your reunion any longer. Until next time.
Goodbye, Mr. Cyrus. Take care.
Bye, Mr. Cyrus.
All right. I should probably get going too. See you later, guys. Come find me in Aru Village when you're ready.
Sure thing.
Looking forward to seeing you shine, Kale.
Nice. Ruins Exploration Act 1. Return for the Mysterious. Aman, cuman dikit kayak tiba-tiba lag tapi jarang gitu. Aman berarti ya. Ooh, what is this? Mechanical puzzle parsing paradigm, whatever it is. Skillful scouting, safe engagement training. What is this? This is new. Go to quest. Terus lagi scouting. Field wise mastery and yielding progress. So far it's okay though. Safe engagement training. Alay ko. Field wise mastery and yielding progress. Oh, ini questnya ya? Oh, aku baru tahu. Dude, this is way too much that I can even handle. Goodness. Okay. Duh, basah anjay. Kayak kulkas pendinginnya, coolernya. Ya Allah. I haven't played cards yet though. Tunggu. Yang ini apa? Oh, ini. 7 days? Oh my god. I need to finish them. 14 days. Ini apa? Faded Moonlight. Aduh, masalahnya aku belum habis semua apanya.
I know. Present.
Gila, sisa 7 days dong anjay. Gitu. Gimana lagi? Mari kita menyelesaikan quest. Let's go. Oke. Oh, you know what? I want to get some meat. Hunting meat dulu ya. Tuh, lumayan nih ada apa nih ya? Kalau aku bilang sih kebo ya, itu gede banget kan.
Rain outlines your fate. Know my sword.
Iya, nggak kenal lagi. Nggak kenal
Cleanup
lagi.
sequence initiated.
Yang satu lagi kabur anjay. Aduh. 1, 2, 3. Oh 3 ya? Oh kira 4. Anjay.
Tainari's place. Tainari's place. Ah! Sino! Sethos! Looks like the whole gang's here. Oh, and Layla's here too. But, oh, she doesn't look too good. Did something happen?
Ah, Paimon, Traveler. It's good to see you. I'd welcome you like a proper host, but I'm a bit busy at the moment. Apologies.
No worries, this seems serious.
No need to look that worried. My observations indicate Miss Layla's condition has improved quite a bit. There's no danger to her mind. She's just fatigued and needs some rest.
Okay.
Excuse me for a moment while I blend some calming incense. I'll let you two explain the situation. All right.
Anjay, ada Saino gak tuh? Sayu, anjay.
What happened was, Sethos and a few members of the Temple of Silence rescued Layla, who was out in the desert trapped in a state of delirium.
She had to be rescued? Oh, that sounds bad.
That's all you're gonna say about it, Sino? I mean, we don't want people jumping to conclusions.
Sethos. No scholar who studies a King Dashrath civilization fails to understand the significance of the Temple of Silence, and Sethos is one other in their heir to this ancient organization and its history of over 1,000 years. After arriving in Sumeru city, he did not wish to be conspicuous, and so chose to live in anonymity, crafting an ordinary identity. With his friendly smile and enthusiasm, this skilled conversationalist become part of community almost as soon as he arrives. If you run into him in the street by chance, you won't hear in the strike of the conversation. Perhaps he'll share a mysterious desert tale long lost amidst the silence.
That's all I can say about it. The person involved is unable to explain what happened to her, so we're limited in what we know.
Sorry. My head is still dizzy. The moons. Exactly how many are there?
What are there, honey? What do you mean? Layla Ratawa his, I don't know how to pronounce that, can often be found sporting black eyes, eye bags, and groggy, sleepy expression. It is said when she goes to sleep, all sort of strange things will occur around her. The sleeping eccentric, heaven-sent Thesis, human calculator, the one who climbs the wall at Samiel barehanded, as such though she has not even in the academia for a very long. She is already the subject of a great many strange nicknames, but strange to those monikers, maybe she is a stranger still. The moons?
She's been repeating that phrase over and over again, but she can't seem to remember what happened to her.
We tried a few things back at the Temple of Silence, but we couldn't recover her memories. Her symptoms are kind of similar to researchers in the Satyavada life state. So we brought her to Tainari to see if our veteran forest watcher had any other ideas.
Tainari is pretty much our last option, so let's hope he can help.
Well, the good news is, even if restoring her memory is a no-go,
Oh,
we can help with the headache at
almost
least.
dropped my phone.
Jir was in a similar state when we found him, delirious and mumbling to himself, but he's more or less back to normal now. Sorry, I should give you some context first, huh? We should let Miss Layla get some rest. Come with me, you two, and I'll introduce you to the other victim of this incident.
Good idea. I'll wait for Tainari here and keep an eye on our patient.
All right, then. This way.
Okay. Return to the mysterious realm. Meet the other victim. What? What? Are you serious? Other victim? Who is it? Ini kemana nih? Lower ba?
Sure, that little
Apa
girl
saja?
was...
Alright. Is it Collei? I'm scared if it's Collei though. Oh my god.
Who did the Ajalenok not offend? I just don't get it.
Hey, Jer. Still musing about Ajile knocknuts, huh? Want me to have Sino come over and tell some jokes? Might help distract you.
No. No need. I'm done.
Yeah, that's one nutty. Oh my god. Lumin, stop at the joke. Nutty idea, that's not all it's cracked up to be. I hate that joke.
Don't encourage him.
Well, sorry for interrupting the Ajile
Muncul
knock talk,
kata-kata
buddy.
lagi. Oh ya.
Next time, just say, Haji, hey
Agak
knock.
berarti bitrate-nya. Aku juga bingung gimana bitrate-nya.
What's the deal with the Agilenok nuts? Other than the bad Sino jokes.
We'll get to that. But first, introductions are in order. This is Jer, a member of the Temple of Silence. And you remember the Traveler, right, Jer?
Yes.
Of course. I'd never forget a participant in the Rite of Duels or the hero who saved Sumeru.
Awesome. Could you go over what happened one more time, Jer? Our valiant hero is gonna help us get to the bottom of
Sorry,
this.
just checking my app a little bit. Voice recordless is currently neat. Nice, thank you. Thank you for the watch streak, by the way.
Might as well join since you're here, am I right? Just hear him out. You're gonna want to uncover this mystery once you do. I bet on it.
Well, I was on an expedition in the desert not too long ago when I got caught in some quicksand. Later, it became obvious it wasn't normal quicksand because instead of sinking to my death, I fell into an undiscovered ruin.
Oh, okay.
In my panic, arms and legs flailing about, I suspect I touched some things I shouldn't have. Because in that brief moment, an enormous amount of information came surging into my mind. I would hesitate to even call it knowledge.
Is it me,
because my
or
brain had no capacity
is
to
all
process the
sound
information.
of the left ear? Oh, really? I think it is.
To use an analogy,
Because
it
the
would be
mic
like
that
trying
I
to stuff
put
thousands of
the
Ajile
voice
nuts
on is
into a small
like
water skin
in between
without it bursting.
dual mic to it.
Sorry again with the
So like
Ajile
this
nuts. I
one
know.
side and then this one side,
Fine.
you know.
We're getting to
If you
that part
can
of the
hear
story
me like
anyway.
this and you can hear like this, so it's a dual mic
True.
to it.
Well, just as I was on the verge of
So, yeah.
madness, a single phrase
You're
burst a
not
storm of
alone.
thoughts in my head. It was a man's voice saying, "Don't eat Ajalenok nuts."
What?
I know it's hard to believe, but that's what happened. I was saved by the phrase, "Don't eat Ajalenok nuts."
You mentioned a man's voice.
I'm not sure. I'm not even certain it was a man's voice. It's hard to remember now that I've been repeating it so much myself. Anyway, the good news is I no longer feel like my head is going to explode.
Okay.
Of course, the bad news is that phrase has been
Yeah,
stuck
it
in
is
my
makes
head for the
sense.
past few days.
So like no wonder if you hear like on this side and then on this side. So there is like the speaker is like in between though. Somehow it's not really loud in the left side and then the right side is kind of loud a little bit. So yeah,
Wow.
it's like
Doesn't it have
depends
the
on
opposite
I
effect?
am
Like, the more you say don't eat it, the more you want to eat it?
depends on what I hold the phone because I'm on the phone.
Yes,
Just to be
that's
clear.
exactly right. Whoever the voice belongs to, I don't know what his deal is with those nuts.
Well, the world's a big place. There's bound to be people who don't like sweet stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I suppose. Strangely enough, I'm starting to think the voice belonged not to a man, but a cat.
A cat. Oh no, is it the new character though?
A cat? How?
That's the question, isn't it? What would a cat be doing in an abandoned ruin like that? Just as my mind was reaching its breaking point, I could have sworn I heard the sound of a cat guiding me to exit. When I came to, all I saw was endless desert, and Sethos shaking me in a desperate attempt to wake me up.
I'll admit, it was pretty terrifying seeing you like that. Staring off into space and mumbling about Aji Leynok nuts.
You sure don't sound terrified.
Sorry. It's not that I don't care. It's just kind of hard for rambling about Aji Leynok nuts to sound menacing. Now, what Layla was saying, on the other hand, that is much creepier.
You mean about the numbers of the moons?
Exactly. The unknown is what breeds fear. Aji Leynok nuts are familiar. But the moon suspended above us at night? That's about as foreign as it gets.
We don't know that for sure. There could be a whole other world inside an Ajilenok nut, with a moon of its own.
Huh. I guess?
Ajilenok nuts are not to be underestimated.
Right, yeah, of course. Won't catch me disparaging the mighty Aji Leynok nut. No, sir.
Huh. So, a similar thing happened to Layla then?
Yeah, I think so. I was in a hurry to rescue Jur, so I put a marker on the incident site so we could go back and investigate. When his condition stabilized, we doubled back around to check and...
You discovered Layla in a similar condition?
Exactly.
Oh.
Multiple victims with the same symptoms at the same location. It wasn't hard to conclude that something is seriously wrong with that place. So, after we got Layla out of there, I had the Temple of Silence put up a warning sign at the scene and send patrols to watch the area. Speaking of, Sino, Tainari, and I are going to head back there and investigate once Layla is stable. So, as per usual, you're here just in time.
Yeah, it sounds like you need all the help you can get.
That's for sure. But there's another reason I want Sino and Tainari involved in this. Because the story doesn't end there. Right, Jer?
Oh, yes. Where was I? The Ajilenok nuts butted in and I... Right. Yes. The cat. As I followed the cat noises, the voice said something else. So, there are those from Tula who still endure. I thought that was strange, of course, because, well, was the voice referring to me? Records of my ancestry are rather sparse, so I'm not sure if my bloodline even traces back to that place.
Tula?
That's right. The Temple of Silence's place of origin. And the home of Tainari's people. Plus, Harmonubis, who Sino and I both share a connection to, was one of the city's founders. As the temple's current leader, if something strange happens in the desert, it's my job to get to the bottom of it. But it turns out, a lot of people have a horse in this race. And I'm not leaving any of them out.
Count me in too.
See? Knew you'd join. But yeah, that's all we know about your situation. Tainari should be done on his end. Let's head back and check on Miss Layla.
Okay, give me a second. Let me check. Apa ya namanya?
There are records in the Temple of Silence that speak of the ancient desert people's love of raising cats. Perhaps I encountered some ancestral cat spirit, long since passed on.
Let me check my cousin first, because I've been waiting her. She's eating quite long right now. Where is she? Okay, so we're gonna check Layla. Where is she? On top, I guess. Where is she? Ya, untung aja. Hello.
How are you feeling? But don't speak if it's too taxing.
It's fine. I'm much better now, thanks. I feel like I haven't slept in 2 days, so pretty much back to normal. Whoa. That's your normal?
Man, the way Layla is like sleepy, I'm become sleepy as well.
Traveler, Paimon, I thought I heard your voices earlier.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, and, I'm sorry. Huh? You don't have to apologize. You didn't do anything wrong. No, I just mean, I think I'm about to disappoint you.
No.
My head was kind of muddled earlier, but I still heard your conversation. I know you're trying to figure out what happened to me, and I want to help. But, I really don't remember anything.
Oh, you poor thing.
Does your head still hurt?
No, I feel fine. The incense you made helped a lot. I'm still hearing those words in my head, but other than that, I'm okay.
Okay.
It's just, all I remember are those words. Everything else is a total blank. One moment I was heading to the stargazing point I'd calculated, and the next, I was on my back in the sand. The same phrase playing over and over again in my mind.
Wait. Stream managerku nggak jalan tadi.
How many moons are there in the sky?
DC? Sempet DC enggak sih? Ya udah, itu aja dulu.
Sethos, did your friend Jur suffer from memory loss too?
Ya Allah, akhirnya
Not
selesai
really.
juga. Bentar ya.
His memories are blurry, but there aren't huge gaps like that.
My
He remembers touching
cousin
something.
is already
Someone
saying
talking,
she's
a
ready.
voice.
A cat.
A cat?
Did you hear it too?
Huh? Now that you mention it, I think so. It was so soft. I thought I was imagining things.
Which means, at the very least, what the two of you experienced while escaping the ruin is consistent. A single sentence repeating in your heads, and the faint sound of a cat.
Still not a lot to go off of.
Agreed.
Oh, is your head hurting again, Layla? No, I was just thinking. Maybe my memories are blank because I was sleepwalking at the time.
You're sleepwalking, girl?
Sometimes, my friends and classmates tell me about things I don't remember doing, or places I don't remember going. I don't talk about it a lot because, well, I don't even know how it happened. But I don't want my personal circumstances clouding your judgment. So I, just wanted to mention that.
Ah, I see. Well, thank you for telling us. But I don't think we need to dwell on that for now. We're gonna check out the site of the incident for ourselves, so that should help us come to our own conclusions.
Okay. Well, I'm with Tanya.
Okay, then could I come too? Oh, I have to know what happened to me back there.
Sure, but on one condition. You need to be in tip-top shape before we head out. If your condition isn't stable enough before then, we'll have to figure out something else.
Of course, no problem.
Well, I'm more concerned about Tainari. You sure you'll be alright in the desert?
You say that like I'll evaporate on first contact with sand or something. Call it curiosity. If this concerns my ancestors, I want to figure out what's going on. Anyway, as long as I take things slow when the sun's out, I should be fine with the right preparation.
Okay.
Besides, it's a good idea to have a doctor on hand in case of emergencies.
So long as our doctor doesn't become the emergency.
Well, if that happens, I suppose I'll just have to rely on the kindness of my entourage to haul me back home.
All right, well, that all sounds good to me. Let's meet in 2 days like we agreed.
Alright. So let's find the map and mark the location for you.
Jer and I are gonna head back to the Temple of Silence and do some research in the meantime. See you in a couple days.
Sounds good.
Nice. Very nice.
What about you, Layla? If you feel like you need more rest, I can arrange a room for you to stay in.
No need. I've asked enough of you as it is. Besides, I feel a lot better. I should make it back to my dorm, no problem.
Alright.
You sure? Don't push it too hard, or you might end up sleepwalking along the way. Don't worry, I'll be fine. I have other things I need to do anyway. Like letting my advisor and classmates know that I'm fine. Adjusting my stargazing schedule. Things like that. If I don't get it all done, I doubt I'll be able to sit still.
Aku datang
Let
kok
alone
udahan.
stay here and get some rest.
Aku datang kok udahan. Enggak. Cuman ganti game doang, Randy. By the way, hi. Welcome, Mark. Welcome to start. Welcome
not
and
so
thank you
sure
for
that's-
stopping by. How are you? Not sure, so that you know what? I'll make sure she gets back.
A much better idea.
Mau
Thank you,
ganti
traveler.
mau ganti game rencananya sama sepupu aku main Roblox karena udah janjian tadi. Nah, habis cerita ini sih sebenarnya. Bentar ya.
Of course, if anything starts to feel off, come back for a checkup right away.
You'd better listen to him, Layla. Or he'll feed you tasteless slop as a punishment.
Punishment? You're the one who caught a cold. You're supposed to eat light when that happens. Besides, with your nose stuffed up like that, you couldn't taste anything to begin with.
Huh. Is that so? And here I thought it was an in-taste-to-know issue.
Sino. Not the joke.
Should have seen that coming. You're off the clock, so now it's time for puns, huh?
I hate the puns already.
Oh, brother, not this again.
Don't worry, Paimon. I understand. If you want me to stop, then
Dad?
you'll have to call a plumber. Tell them someone's got a pipe down.
Lumi, no. Don't encourage him like this. Aku sama Sino anjay. Anjay gue bilang.
This is getting more insufferable by the second.
Jamet Sino. Males gue kayak
Quit
gini.
socking it already, please.
Yeah, got it, Paimon. One sock in copyright. Oh no. Oh, I hate this.
Paimon's done with this game.
Oh, gracious.
You win, okay? Let's just get out of here. Please.
Okay, bye everyone. I'll keep playing the same.
All right, you stay safe. I'll try to stay sane.
Okay.
My way to believe
Nih, mana? Kakak mana? Mana? Ah, Iko yo. Ah, sabar, jangan lari dulu. Sabar, cie. Inya tegas sabana nyo paye. Lamboy. Sini di belakang. Orang tadi. Aku streamingnya di Twitch loh. Dari tadi aku setting Twitch tuh manually loh, bukan di komputer. Makanya repot tadi. Ya balai, itu namanya coil. Tuh Gecko. Di mana sih letak mic-nya? Nggak tahu, Wak. Di mana? Atas terus di mana ya? Di icon mana? Music. Nggak ada loh. Nggak ada, aku bilang. Nggak percaya kakak. Nggak ada doh. Nggak ada doh. Nggak ada doh. Cuman ada kok nih? Nggak ada doh. Mana sih? Sabar. Sebentar, sabar. Sabar. Iya, lanjut. Iya. Nggak ada loh gambar mic-nya itu. Gimana? Hide tulisan apa nih? Nggak ada loh. Sebentar, kakak, aku terbelakang sekali ini. Di mana sih stream aku? Jalan kah? Oh, jalan. Oke. Bentar. Aku ini dulu settingnya. Lurus aja nih kah? Kakak mana sih? Aku di coba lihat belakang. Aku di mana sih? Ikuti cahaya kristal. Oh, aku baru nyampe anjay. Cahaya kristal. Oh, ini. Bentar, aku masih ngikutin cahaya kristal nih. Mana? Halo? Dah. Oke. Mana kakak? Oh, di situ. Ondeh mande. Mati. Hei. Enggak, jatuh aku. Bisa, kan ada ini warna kuning ya. Sebentar, sabar. Awak loncat loh baru Aku masih loncat, ini jatuh tadi aku. Nah kan, ya jatuh lagi. Kamu harus menekan CP1. Iya, sabar. Gak tahu. Reset enggak. Nih. Belum menekan CP1. Kamu harus menekan CP1. Udah kah? Belum. Iya. Kakak nggak bilang sih. Harus ulang dari awal kah? Iya, kakak nggak ngasih tahu. Itu gimana? Balik lagi. Kakak nggak ada kasih tahu aku tadi. Dari awal tadi. Nggak ada tadi. Awal langsung jalan senyo. Itu gimana? Ulang lagi dari awal. Iya sih, tetap jalan sih. Ya udah aku ulang dari awal. Udah aku pencet. Ya kakak udah di CP8, aku ulang lagi dari awal. Iya, kakak lanjutin aja. Kan jalannya yang kayak tadi kan. Kayak pas kita ngikutin jalan arus tadi kan. Ya udah. Sabar woi, orang pakai coil barunya. Bentar ya. Mana CP1-nya? Nggak ada dong. Gila ya, stres banget aku main Roblox kayak gini, bejir. Udah tahu nih di checkpoint loh. Aduh, pantang sakit. Gila ya, terniat tanpa checkpoint aja langsung ke CP7 tuh nggak? Lucu banget. Oke. Sini ya. Nah, checkpointnya di mana? Kalian? Jujur stres saya. Ini apa? Menu Deadly Zone. Ya, Deadly Zone ya. Kok begini sih? Aduh. Kegepeng. Ya Allah, lucu banget lagi. Ini kah? Oh, itu kok. Oke, udah di CP1 ya. Oke. Ya Allah, gepeng gini anjay. Bentar, aku lagi naik waffle. CP2 udah. Lucu amat jalannya anjay. Mana gelinding bolanya nih? Hari-hari ngeroblox, nggak tahu ya. Nyoba-nyoba anjay. Hari-hari ngeroblox, robuk. Ini main yang kedua kalinya nih aku nih. Main Roblox. Tiap hari ganggu bocil gitu, gak? Kagak anjay, dikira gue ganggu anak orang. Enggak lah. Ini main sama sepupu aku nih. Lagi ngomong sama chat. Di stream. Ganggu bocil gak tuh? Si tiba-tiba. Gak semua bocil mainnya guys. Ada yang anak dewasa juga main ini. Banyak malah kan yang udah punya anak. Enggak, aku pakai headset. Iya, yang seumuran aku banyak juga tuh. Ini tempat turnamen. Oh ada, ada tuh yang hari-hari manjat gunung di Roblox. Iya ya, ada yang manjat gunung Bromo anjay. Lawak cok, literally. Iya, jatuh lagi. Ini gara-gara gepeng nih. Kenapa saya loncat? Sabar. Jatuh lagi kan. Masih di ini, lagi di CP3. CP3 ya? Tai, jatuh mulu anjay. Allah, ini kenapa ya aku loncat mulu nih? Kakak di mana? Kakak jauh anjay. Ini aku karena ada pelampung bolong donat nih ya, agak rese nih aku. Nah kan, jatuh lagi kan. Gak bisa aku jalannya. Satu, dua, kan. Di CP3. CP3 ya? Coy, ngadet coy, astagfirullahaladzim. Nah kan makin gaping loh. Aduh, apa nih? Manga kok unstable connection internet kakak kah? Nggak bisa, aduh, baca cewek wah. Yang seumuran aku banyak juga. Emang iya kan? Yang mainnya itu banyak loh padahal. Kak, reset lagi kak. Error kak. Literally. Baca loh ya kok. Reset aku. Sebentar aku baca roenya. Jatuh tapi gepeng, anjay gue bilang. Kok kayak ini aja deh, kucing ini. Enggak yang ini. Yang ini. Nah. Jadi kucing. Yeay. Ulang dari awal. Lag mungkin makanya nyangkut. Iya itu makanya. Kak. Nah, dah. Awak ulang dari awal. Ulang dari awal lagi loh. Lagging tadi. Aku tuh ngadet di tengah jalan tuh loh. Nggak bisa aku jalan doh. Tuh makanya reset. Reset. Emang respon. Oh, bukan keluar. Oh, respon tuh jadi apa? Full body lagi kah? Oh, balik ke nol. Ya udahlah, nggak apa-apa. Aku balik ke nol aja lah. Udah terbiasa aku. Aduh, aku nggak ada lagging nih. Sebentar ya. Ada bot tiba-tiba di chat aku. Biarkanlah, botnya juga ngeganggu kok. Aku ikhlas. Ini cuma testing doang soalnya. Testing stream aja. Kakak masih di CP 8 kah? Bentar ya. Sabar ya. Baca ronyo untuk memblokir bot pada saat aku lagi tidak memegang laptop ya. Susah kok mengaturnya. Jalan. Biarkanlah chat yang tidak ini. Lagian dia nggak ganggu kok. Sebentar ya kak. Oh masih oke, yaudah. Iya. Yes. Oke. Mati nggak tuh? Jatuh lagi. Jatuh mulu anjay. Aku tuh sangat skill issue main beginian. Aing kalau RPG gampang, giliran main Roblox aja udah kayak apa lah. Baca roenya. Rasawa tadi udah kena CP1 tadi tuh. I just forgot what is it. Lama nih sampai ke CP8 nih literally. Oke. Enggak ya, ya udah, biarin aja. Oke. Capek satunya mana nih? Belum kah? Oke. Harusnya tadi ada loh CP1 tadi. Oh itu dia. Ini kah? Bukan kah? Gimana sih? CP1? Aku lupa lagi. Oh itu. Kan ini. Tuh. Omang respon tapi balik ke CP nggak ngerti deh, nggak jadi deh aku tanya. Oke, 2 Kenapa? Merem dulu, pagi harus naik kereta. Baik, ya, take care ya, hati-hati ya. Baik, Kemiri. Oke, udah. Capek 3 lagi. Astagfirullahaladzim, akhirnya ya Allah. Capek 3 kak. Alhamdulillah ya Allah, akhirnya. Bentar ya, capek 3 baru. Mainnya baru 30 menit. Buat ngulang reset aja udah 30 menit. Astaga. Bisa-bisa kayaknya. Nah, CP4. Nah, ini loh maksud aing teh. Jatuh lagi. Hello, hi. Iya. Kak. Nah. Nih. Hello. 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 Udah aman. Benar udah 9. Iya kan. CP8 ya. CP8 ya. 8 ya udah. Kamu carry aku? Jalan aja kak. Iya ya. Tadi aja sering jatuh tadi itu. Iya itu makanya. Jatuh lagi. Aduh. Anjay. Oke. Oi. Cinnamon roll. Hello. Looking good though. Retiring, assembly. Oh iya, iya ada sinamonnya goyang. Self again. Ntar tuh 2, 3, jatuh. Oh, dia air ya? Coklat. You are only exception. Bisa ding loncat balik lagi. Only exception. Ih, gak bisa diem nih cinnamon rollnya. Elah. The only exception. 3, 4, dadah. 5. Wah, yabai yo ne, hontou ni. Wah. Yabe na. Aku udah di ujung. Nah, udah anjay. Oke, kemana nih? Ikutin cinnamon roll aja nih. I was like this, keep it at comfortable distance. Up until now I have sworn to myself and I contend with loneliness. Anjay, kelar coy. Anjay. The only exception, you. Only exception, you are the only exception. You are the only exception. Aku atur mood dulu deh. Di ujung, di CP berapa nih? CP 9, 10 kah? Nggak tahu aku. Setelah cinnamon roll udah selesai. Boleh. Bisa nggak? Koil. Pakai koil kok? Kenapa? Iya, pakai koil. You are only exception. You are only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. I'm on anjay. Udah, kemana lagi? To believe in. Naik ini, are you serious? Jatuh lagi. Sebentar. Aku masih ini. Bentar ya. Jatuh lagi. Ya Allah. Masih di belakang kakak nih. Kelebihan lagi anjay. Awas coy. Astagfirullah. Awas nyo dihadangnya. Allah. kan jatuh lagi kan. Dah 3. Hampir aja aku jatuh. Nah, itu maksud aing. Luncur. Let's go. Oke, dah yuk. Mana? Kakak kucing ya? Aku unicorn baru. Bakalan main kayak apa? Pencet teleponnya. Ya, aku mati teleponnya lagi. Mati teleponnya. Ya. Gimana? Oke. Hah? Oh my god, what is this? Manjat. Aduh, kakak. Si kakak bikin aku jatuh, anjay. Dah, naik lagi, nice. Aduh, hampir aja jatuh, ya Allah, hampir aja. Oh, nggak boleh. Oh, CP12 sih. Aku nggak pakai aku nggak pakai coil nih. Aduh mati lagi dia. Yes, oh my god. Ya, wah, lo. Loh, mana itu lagi? Bentar. Mana dia? Ya udah, nanti aja. Oke. Oh, bohong dia ya. Iya, elah jatuhnya. Apa deh? Tuh, kelebihan. Kelebihan lagi. Jatuh lagi. Oke. Kalau susah bisa lewat shortcut clue-nya es krim. Loh, mana kakak? Jujur agak jatuh ya. Hah? Hello? Oh my god. Balik lagi. Oh my gosh. Nah, alright. Oke, ada 2 jalur, silahkan dipilih. Yang mana nih? Yang ini. Oh, itu jalur cowok ya? Oke. Ya sudah. Oke. Oh my god, nyangkut lagi. Jatuh lagi dia. Jatuh lagi kakak. Astaga, kakak. Ambil tas. Nggak usah, lanjut ya. Gak usah, pergi aja, gak apa-apa. Pergi aja, gak apa-apa. I'm okay. Oh, ditahan. Mana ya bagian aku tadi? Iya kak, iya. Dia jatuh kak. Aduh, ini ya. Panjang juga ya. Journey. Di CP itu kalian harus kendaraan sudah disiapkan kendaraan di mobil burger asal gunakan kendaraan bus, boleh jalan cuma nggak lama sampainya. Oke. Gila, tiba-tiba. Aku tiba-tiba aku respon dulu. Cuma riset. Gimana? Tai. Langsung lagging, coy. Bentar ya. Dok. Lag lagi. Mana ini? Kameranya enggak di sini lah. Aduh, gimana dong? Tadi ya, oh itu dia. Oh, aman-aman. Oke. Ambil. Pak, ini caranya. Ini dari yang Harvard. Udah gas. Aduh. Gimana nih? Ada. Si kakak dari mati kakak teh. Waduh. Gitu. Mati. Bagus sekali dan tak terhingga lagi gitu. Tak terhingga lagi. Tuh. Simak si koko. Kakak. Cuma naiknya nggak ngerti apa gimana caranya. Tuh. Oh gitu. Oke. Tidak. Gimana sih Mandarin? Bentar. Nah, susah banget ngendarain ya. Tuh. Apa sih? Gak ngerti aku. Sumpah. Tuh. Nah. Iya, elah. Zep. kamu ngendarin mobil itu kayak ngopo iki. Sebentar. Nah. Iya, aku ngendarinnya main. Duh. Oh gitu ya, oke, ngerti cara ngendarinya ngerti aku, agak geser dikit, tik gitu. Nah, oke. Lama juga ya sampai ke puncaknya tuh. Apa ya? Si bisa tiba-tiba langsung dah kelar. Anjay, gue bilang kelar. Ya Allah, tiba-tiba mati dong. Mati lagi. Ya Allah, tiba-tiba mati, tidak tertolong sepertinya.